Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look for you. I know it hasn't been a while since I posted, but I'm back with another makeup video. Of course, I tried to vlog my December holidays, that didn't work out. I don't know, I just need to get better at vlogging. Like, my vlogging skills, like, I just forget, you know. But anyways, yeah, next time I guess. So I just went in with my Maybelline primer, and I'm going to go into this black opal foundation stick, and I'm just going to use it as a concealer. I'm not going to wear any foundation. Sometimes I feel like foundation gets cakey on my face. Like, doesn't matter what foundation I use, like, and I can just use like one pump of it, it'll still look cakey. I think my face is just going through a weird stage right now, and it just isn't cooperating with any foundation. But with concealer, it doesn't look too bad. So I'm using a dry beauty sponge to blend that out. I feel like it works better when the beauty sponge is dry, so that's what I'm doing, and that's what it looks like when it's all blended. Decided that I want to snatch my jawline a bit, so decided to reverse contour that, and I'm just blending that in with the same foundation stick by Black Opal. It's actually in the color Heavenly Honey, and it's pretty good match. At first I thought it was too dark. When I put it on, it actually is a bit lighter than my skin tone, so that's why it works so well for when I'm putting on concealer. Next, I'm putting on this Yardley translucent powder for all skin types, and I'm gonna take a bit of that and put it everywhere I put the stick foundation: under my eyes, on my eyelids, on my nose, my chin area, my lip area, and my cheeks. And of course, what you do to the one side, you do to the other. Why am I being so rough on my eye? Anyways, next up, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix Plus powder in the color NC45. I'm going to take this brush by Beauty Treats, and I'm going to use that to just contour my face. It's in the color NC45. It is a bit darker than me, that's why it works so well. Sometimes it's my skin tone, sometimes it's darker. It depends on my skin. Sometimes I get sunburnt, sometimes my skin goes back to normal. So I'm using, this is actually the perfect brush for contouring. Like, it's not too defined, like it blends and contours really flawlessly. The Beauty Treats brushes come in 5s, I think. These ones come in 5, in a pack of 5. And this is one of the brushes there, and I'm just using that brush for my cheeks, my forehead, and to snatch my jawline. Next up, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Can you see here? I'm just brushing them out. So I'm not gonna show my full eyebrow routine in this video because I already have an eyebrow video on my channel. It's one of the first videos that I've actually posted on my channel before, and it's the same routine. I'm just putting on the same Essence eyebrow brush, eyebrow pencil. Make sure it's sharp. It's in a brown color, dark brown color, and I'm just going to use it to outline my eyebrows, to fill them in, brush it out, and that's it. I'm just going to conceal them using my Black Opal stick foundation in Heavenly Honey. Now that the brows are done, I'm going back in with the MAC powder, and I'm going to use that on my eyebrows. I'm not really using it as an eyeshadow. I'm using it more to contour my eyes, if I can say that, just to give my eyes a bit more depth and definition. And it's a great kind of outline for when I put on my eyeshadow. I'm gonna put that on both eyes, make sure it's blended out. I'm sure you can see the difference. My eyes look like they've got more depth. You can see that they're more defined. And what I'm going to do, that brush is from Boho Chic. It's the same brushes I always use. So what I'm going to do with this powder as well is I'm going to contour my nose using that same brush. Give my nose a bit more definition. What I like to do is I put on a lot of powder on my nose, like contour it a lot, and then I blend it out. Can you see? It looks pretty good. It still looks natural. So what I'm doing now, the lighting got messed up here, but what I'm doing now is I took my Rimmel palette and I used this purple shade. You'll see in the next slide. Okay, there you go. And there's a purple shade, focusing that on the outer corners of my eyes and on the top. I'm just making sure to blend that out using that same brush I used it's a blending brush from Boho Chic, and I'm just going to blend out that purple color, and that's what I've done on both eyes. Now I'm taking this rose goldish color, right, and it's a glittery color. I'm going to put that, focusing that color on the middle of my eyelid till the inner part of my eyelid. I'm just going to put that all over using a flat brush from the Boho Chic brushes. If you guys want those brushes, they might still be in stock, I'm not sure. I will put the link down in my description box, so make sure to check that out if you guys want the brushes. They were super cheap, 10 brushes for 250 rand, and they are super soft, they're pretty, they last, not a lot of shedding. I'm really happy with these brushes. Definitely one of the best brushes I've ever used. If not, then I go for my Real Techniques brushes, but these are really pretty soft and very affordable. Next up, I'm taking a small little brush, and I'm taking that purple color, and I'm gonna put that on my bottom lash line. I'm gonna blend that out simultaneously, and that just kind of finishes off the eyeshadow look. Like, it kind of like rounds it off, like, I don't know, it just kind of completes the look if you put it underneath. I never used to put eyeshadow underneath, but now I started and I can't stop. I'm putting on some white eyeliner, the same eyeliner that I always use. It's the duo line, I got it from Clicks. Nothing to it really. And I'm gonna put some black liner on the top of my lids, mainly as a base for my eyelashes. So now that that's done, putting on some mascara by Essence. It's the I Love Extreme Lash, something like that. I don't even need to say anything about this mascara because every single video is the same thing. I'm like, I love this mascara. I do, and I always buy the same mascara. And I'm kind of like putting it on in reverse, and that's preparing for lashes because I don't have a lash curler, so I'm kind of like reverse curling my lashes using the mascara, so my eyelashes can straighten out because they're very curly on them, to straighten out a bit so it's easier for me to put on my lashes. That's done. These are the lashes I'm going to use. I'm going to put them on off camera. Now that my lashes are done and I've laid my edges, I use the Flex gel, and yeah, I put on my lashes. They're from Clicks. I don't think they have a name. I'm not sure if they have a name. I'll check and I'll put that in the description box. And there we go, finishing off the look with this gorgeous blonde bobbed wig. And this wig is super soft. It's so soft. It feels so amazing. I'm not sure which store it's from. I'm gonna check and I'm going to put that link in the description box. I'm going to give you guys the Instagram link for their Instagram page. They have really pretty wigs. This is a blonde bob Peruvian, and it goes for 3,000 rand. I'm not using my hairbrush because it was too far, so I literally just grabbed the closest brush I could find, which was like this little brush. It's actually my mom's. Don't know what it's doing in my room. I'm always taking her stuff, but it worked out really nicely. It combed out the hair really well. Edges are laid, and yeah. And that's pretty much the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.